found him. Alright, well, I'll see you at the party. What's going on, guys? So I am out here at Imes again. If you remember last week, or not last week, but a few weeks ago, I was out here looking for that tiger that escaped. Well, it turns out that they decided to give up on that search, but now there's apparently been another sighting. So, of course, you guys know me. I'm gonna go look for this thing. So, hopefully, we're gonna do a little bit of herping on the way as well, but hopefully we'll find this little sucker. It should be, it's exciting and terrifying at the same time. Like, I don't want to die today. That would just be unfortunate. Alright, so, yeah, on the look for this this tiger, which I think you're here looking for the tiger too?
Yes, sir.
You got it equipped, you got the gun and everything. I'm so underprepared. I mean, if I find the tiger, I'm fucked. He's set up at least, so that's good. Alright, well, I mean, good luck to you, man. I'll let you get on your way, and yeah. Hopefully we can find this thing. God, I need to go back to Walmart and get a fucking gun or something. Jesus. Alright, so we're coming up in the swamp where, if you guys remember from the last video, me and Lucas came out here with Blakely and we found a rat snake, or a few rat snakes actually, and some northern water snakes. Granted, there's no tigers or anything like that, but hopefully I'll be able to get some herbs. Alright, well, sorry, I don't know what I thought I heard. Going after this tiger makes me super paranoid, so I don't know. Hopefully I'm not being stalked by it, because that would be highly unfortunate. Alright, so haven't found anything yet. Checked out a few spots where this tiger could be kind of chilling out, but nothing yet. So I think I'm just gonna try and knock out some herping and whatnot. And there's a silo up here that I think I'm gonna try to find. We'll see if there's anything hiding in there, because if I was a tiger, I'd be sleeping in there too. But you know, there's no. Okay. Walk much lately, Jordan? Jesus. God, that hurt. Okay, well, Salah's up here around this corner, so we're getting close. Hopefully somebody's home. Okay, well, we are here at the silo. And if this thing is in here, it should be right before he decides to come out, but doesn't look like anybody is home. Oh, hang on a second. Text message. Lucas, hey, almost done at Imes. Up, but it's ridiculous. Look at that. It's insane. But it doesn't seem like anybody is here, so I have a party to get to. So I reckon, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and just. Ah, what the fuck? No! No! Ah! 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 Luke's channel, Luke's Lizards, on October 31st, on Halloween. So, yeah, just kind of want to promote the little trailer on my channel and direct you all to his channel so you can check it out. It was a lot of fun to make, and yeah, it's going to be good. So go over to Lucas's channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff, and yeah, see you all in the next video.